Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my Scallywagathon TBR, which is exciting because I have never participated in this kind of pirate themed readathon before, even though I've been, watching the vlogs and stuff like that for a while now, but I just never had the opportunity to participate because of, time limits and stuff like that. So is it a good idea that I'm participating this time? No, absolutely not, because I'm doing another monthly readathon in August, and you will see that only 2 books of that TBR pile will be in this TBR pile. Okay, so my camera just turned itself off and I don't know why. We'll just proceed. We'll see. I hope that it didn't delete all my data on my SD card. The Scallywagathon. So you have to read 4 books in order to get to the treasure, and there's a map. I will link the website down below, and if I remember I'll also link the 3 creators. And I am starting at point number 2 on the map, and the prompt for that is to read a book based around myth. And for that I chose The Deep by River Solomon. This is on my other TBR as well, on my overall August TBR. And I would say this is based on, the mermaid myth. So I guess that counts, and I'm very excited for this book. I still am not very good at giving the synopsis for this, but basically it follows mermaids. And the myth is that they are the descendants of slaves that fell off the ship, basically. So yeah, we'll see about that one. So then I can choose my path from there, and I decided to go to point 6, and the challenge for that is to read a book that has romance in it. And for that I would like to read Ignite Me by Tara Mafi. This is the 3rd book in the Shadow Me trilogy, which I'm rereading right now, and this is where I'm at right now. And as I said, the 3rd book and the final book in the 1st trilogy. So yeah, I would love to reread this, and these are super fast reads, so I think I can totally do that. Then it's time for my detour, and I decided to go with I and that is a book that would was published more than 3 years ago, and for that I want to go with A Man Called Ove by Fredrik Backman, and this was published a while ago. This German edition was published in 2014, and it was originally published in 2012. So I don't know much about this book, only that a lot of people rave about Fredrik Backman, so yeah, I'm very excited to see. I think it's about an old grumpy man and his shenanigans, so we'll see about that. But it has a cat on the cover, so got me intrigued. And then from there I only have one more challenge to reach the treasure, and that is to read a book that has a black cover. And for that I chose Things We Say in the Dark by Kirsty Logan, and I think this is a short story collection, so this will fit in nicely, just break things up a little bit, and this will be the last book I have to finish in those 8 days. So yeah, this would be my very quick video for my TBR for the Scallywagathon. I don't think I will do a separate vlog for that because I still have to work, and so yeah, I'm not quite sure how this will all work out, but you'll definitely see it on my channel if you subscribe. And if you like this video, leave a like or a nice comment. I always appreciate those. And yeah, I will talk to you soon. Bye!